Hey you, wow, one, how we doing? All right. So before I get into what you have to be, I want to take out time to really appreciate this community because they are moving strong. They are moving strong. This morning I found out that there are 20 strong members in this universe. I mean, hold on. 3 seconds appreciation. 3 seconds of appreciation for these 20 members. Alright, so today, remember I promised you guys a video, a breakdown of Logos Olori's charisma, of Logos Olori's game. How is that guy so painfully charismatic? How does he do that? So today we are going to find out. I've already settled down to break this. I've already settled down to break all that. I'll just explain it as we are going. Let's start. So the first one I noticed is that he plays with everything. He plays it with his words and he plays with everything. Like, remember that time when one of them came and she said her name was Chelsea. Then you ask her, you watch Chelsea Football Club, you watch football, are you a Chelsea fan? Yes, all those kind of things. Off knowing her name is Chelsea, you've entered football already. Understand? So started talking about other things. Let's check it out.
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Chelsea.
Chelsea. You like Chelsea Football Club?
Of course. Definitely.
You support Chelsea?
Yeah, I know.
You like Ibrahimovic?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Ogun State.
See, the conversation just kept going and going and going. Maybe that's what I will do. Maybe that's what I will do. How to have a long-lasting conversation. Not relationship, I'm not a relationship advice. How to have a long-lasting conversation. Because the conversation just kept going and going and going. For me, her name is Chelsea. So the next one I noticed is his eye contact. You know what they say about the eyes? They never lie. So his eye contact is not too serious. The eye contact is not too serious, but he doesn't take them off. He's always looking at them in the eyes, where it's not too serious, and they are also comfortable with it. The way he's looking at them, they are comfortable with it. That's why they're not shaking and all this like that. Understand? You can check the video. if you haven't watched the reaction or the main video, check it out. You see all this. You see or notice all these things I'm talking about. So I remember in some of the videos I reacted to, I say something like, you are the one asking the questions, so you look at your subject or the person you are talking to get your answer. Not you ask questions, you ask questions like this, or you ask questions like this, you're not waiting to get like, no, it's not done that way. You know, eye contact also show confidence sometimes. So eye contact is very good. I can't emphasize on that more. Next thing, you notice, if you watch the video, you notice that sometimes you say you see that he keeps playing with his personality. Just let's check it out. You had him, man. He's playing, he's just playing. Then what you do next, you compliment this girl indirectly. But some people say it's not a compliment, that is not so. But it's complimenting indirectly. You see, your gown is long. Sorry, your gown is long. You like long things. You don't know the long things you're looking for. So, your gown is long. Do you like long things? That's a compliment. Sorry, that's a compliment. Serious. I'm serious. Next, he doesn't stop playing. He keeps playing. I tell you, like, he keeps playing, and he's creative with surrounding. There's one of them that he told, "You're already smiling." Like, she was already smiling. He saw her smiling, so he took advantage.
You're already laughing.
You're already laughing. He noticed she was smiling or laughing. He took advantage. You're already laughing. See, I remember there was a time I was on the phone call, right, with someone. So, like, the person was already picked the call. I just had laughs, like, just laughing. I was like, I haven't even said hello. Notice, I haven't even said hello. She hasn't said hello. None of us have said anything. I just say, like, you're already laughing. I haven't even said anything and you're already laughing. You notice the delivery. You notice how I asked that question. I haven't even said anything and you're already laughing. To tell you more, that's a very good delivery. Not why are you laughing or what's funny. If you ask those kind of questions, if you ask a question like that, the person will feel interrogated. The person will feel interrogated, which we don't want to happen. We want them to feel comfortable and calm around us. You understand? So, a good delivery will not only get you an answer, but it will get you two more things. What's that? One, it will make them open to tell you more. And two, there's this, how do I put it, submissive energy that you get of delivering your, how do I put it, of good delivery. Is this submissive energy that you get, except if the person is toxic, you understand? But then, a good delivery will get you those two extra things apart, aside the answers, you understand? So the next thing I noticed with this guy is that the way he plays with his personality, it doesn't even appear like a thirsty motherfucker. Understand? It doesn't even appear thirsty. Like, you know the way he's looking at them. He's looking at them. That same way he's looking at them. He's looking at them playfully. That same way he's looking at them. If you give it to, if someone else, like serious, look at them like that, you might call the guy thirsty. You might call him horny. You might call him cringe. You might call him creep. You might even call him freak. See, you might call him different things. Because he's playfully looking at them. Like I said, his eye contact is not too serious, but he doesn't take them off. So that eye contact, he's playing with them, and we all know he's a funny motherfucker. But he doesn't appear as a thirsty nigga, you understand? And if you watch the video, you notice that at the end, when they gave them the mic to choose whether they will stay or go, they all want to stay because of his vibe and energy. Because of the good vibe and good energy that this guy is displaying. I don't know how this guy is doing it, but this guy is doing it playful. He's so creative in what he does. You don't want to stay. That's when you want to stay. Yes, you want to stay. And I also noticed something. All of them, they have forgotten that this guy has clout, money, and status because of the way he's doing them. He's interacting with them on a different level, like on a normal level, not interacting normal, just having a normal basic conversation with them. He's not using clout, he's not using money, he's not using anything, he's not using status to interact with them. Just interacting with them normally, like normal people. Understand? Then the next thing I notice is that the way he rejects them, they don't even feel rejected. Okay, this guy is very creative actually. This guy is very creative. Because the way he just say, you don't let me show you one example. Let me look for one example and show you guys.
I don't like 5/10s. I'm sorry. I'll keep my flowers. I want to give you this flower. Okay. There's one ass that needs it.
So just see, you guys just check the video, sharp. I'll show you guys the video is really interesting. And you can also check the reaction. It has lots of laughs. We are laughing constantly. It was very funny. So I think that should be all for today. I try my best to make the video not too long. Alright.